Hi, good morning my dear student. Yes, we are know that already we have discussed about most important concept of the domain and range of trigonometric function. Right? So now we will go to define for the last class point y. Which one increases and which one decreases. Now I am going to define for the R6 trigonometric function where it increases and where it decreases. That point based on we are going to discuss here. Let us discuss first. Consider unit circle. Right? So here I'll keep observe. I'm going to take one point. Right? This is the value expressed for that point x, O, x dash. So A, so Y, B. So here C. Right here y dash d. So this point 1 0. Right here that 2 5 are started at 0 0 2. So here pi by 2. So here cos 0 sin 0. Right, that part very clear. So cos pi by 2 sin pi by 2. This is the point. So here 0 1. So another part we are going to express cos pi sin pi. Right? So this means what? So cos pi means -1 0. Got it? So this is the pi expressed for the value, and here 3 pi by 2. So here so cos 3 pi by 2 sin 3 pi by 2. Right? This is the value 0 to -1. Look at this one. This is the first. Here second. Here third. Here fourth. All the quadrant. And most important for the table, I'm going to directly sin theta. Otherwise you can write here. I'm going to express so 0 here 0 to 90 92 180 182 270 272 360. Right, one factor. So this is the value angles. Right, so another one you can express for the values goes on. Right, so I'm going to express for the first. So here 0 pi by 2. Here with the pi. Here 3 pi by 2 2 pi complete a degree and a radian. So now I'm going to define sin x or sin theta. So here cos x. Right, another factor sin x cos x tan x. Right, so this is the value tan x and this is the cosec x. Right, this expression sec x. Right, this expression. So this is the cot x. This expression complete one circle where it increases and where it decreases. We are going to discuss here. Sin x. Next I'm going to write all the quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth, fifth, and sixth. Only fourth quadrant are there. We are going to discuss here. So now, please try to understand. Sin 0, sin 0, 0. Right? Sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Right? Sin pi. Got it? 0. So here sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Right? Sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi. You can write cos 2 pi sin 2 pi. Right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ cos 2 pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇದು 0. Shall I write 0? The sin x function is 0 to 1 sin f function, the first quadrant, right? The first quadrant 0 to 1 is 0 to 1 is what you can call increases, right? First quadrant sin x function increase, and second quadrant, right? Second quadrant 0 to -1 is decrease, clear? Decreases. And what about last? So here 0 to 1, 1 to 0 actually, second quadrant. So here 0 to 1 to 0, not 1 to 0, 1 to 0 decreases, right? No problems. And third quadrant, right? Third quadrant, what do you mean by? So third quadrant you can observe, so 0 to -1 is decreases, right? And lastly fourth quadrant, clear? Fourth quadrant -1 to 0 is increases. Complete I'm discussing with you. So only for sin function, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. Sin function illitra increase, illitra decrease, illitra decrease, illitra increase. 0 to pi by 2, first quadrant is to first, right? First quadrant. So now notice pi by 2 pi by 2 pi, second quadrant. Nimrantang easier. Pi to 2 pi. This is third. Here this is complete one rotation 0, fourth. Finish. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ by the notation I will give each value. Cos x ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. Cos x 0, 1 ಇದೆ, right? 1 to 0, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, sin x ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈ cos x ಹಂಗಾರ 1 to 0 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, 1 to 0 ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to -1, 0 to -1, right? -1 to 0, right? ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ -1 to 0. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 to 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The first quadrant cos x decreases. In the second quadrant cos x decreases. The third quadrant increases. Fourth quadrant increases. First two quadrant, first and second quadrant cos x decreases, and third and fourth quadrant increases. Clear? So next ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾ tan x. ಇಲ್ಲ tan x ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. So tan x ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So it means ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ? 0/1, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 0/1 0, right? 1/0 not defined. It means infinity. Infinity means what? The biggest, maybe increase, maybe decrease. Noda. So 0, right? So here minus infinity. So here 0. ಹೇಗೆ tan x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? 0 to infinity. biggest increases. In 0 to infinity to 0 decreases. 0 to minus infinity decreases, negative side. So here again increases because positive sign. Right? And you can clearly observe. So cos 6, ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by infinity. So 1 itself infinity minus 1 infinity. Right? ನಿಮಗೆ ವೇವ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin x 1 by cosec x. Right? cosec x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by sin x. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ cos x ದು 1 by 0. cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by sec x. Right? So cos x now sec x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ into 1 by cos x. Right? ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನು ಬರಲಿ? Infinity minus 1 infinity here 1 only. Complete unit circle mapping ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So cot x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan infinity 0 you can think 1 by 0 is called infinity. Right? 1 by 0 infinity. Hangare 1 by infinity means what? 0. Yake you can write 0 value 1 by goes on upside. This is the value. So here finish, here it is infinity, here 0, here infinity, here 0, here infinity. Alright, a complete apartment of our trigonometric function. So next video I am going to define further which function increases and which function decreases. Already I have given in the form of value. So now how to write? Tan x increases from first quadrant 0 to infinity. Next decreases from infinity to 0. That you can express in the word. So here in the next calculation. Thank you so much. I will continue the next another concept for our trigonometric function. Thank you so much.